Hi, this is Litre to the Box Plus. Today we have a 2014 Ford Ranger, stock number 6441. This ran from the 6 2011 to the 6 2015. It has a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre 5-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front aftermarket 16-inch wheel good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right rear door 1 dent. Right front door some paint flake in the corner. Right front door mirror. Right front 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen. Single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light with sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.